Hi, welcome back, guys. Today, we're talking about how to use the whiteboard in Zoom. Why would you want to know how to use the whiteboard in Zoom? Maybe you are in a Zoom meeting, okay, and you want to write out certain things to some participants or you want to draw. These are things that you cannot say with your words, okay? So you want to go ahead and use the whiteboard. So today, I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard in Zoom. Please check the video instructions. Please check the video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions, of course. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is head right into your Zoom app, okay, and create a meeting if you are not already in one. Okay, so while that happens, you're going to notice that at the bottom part of your screen, you have the option to share. All right, so what we want to do right now is go ahead and share whiteboard. All right, so you can click that button, and then at the bottom of it all, okay, all the way down, you have share whiteboard. All right, so you want to go ahead and click on share whiteboard. Once you have clicked on that, immediately your whiteboard here has come up. Okay, now to begin making use of your whiteboard, you want to click on the pencil icon that is at the bottom left corner of your screen. All right, so once you click on that, you have the options to make use of your whiteboard. All right, now at the bottom part of your screen here, you can notice some options. Okay, the pencil here is highlighted. That means you can go ahead and just write. Okay, so you can just go ahead and write, all right, on your screen. Okay, so whatever you do right here, okay, whatever you do right here is being seen by all the participants in your meeting at this point. The next to it is the eraser option. Okay, so once you have highlighted on the eraser, you don't just go ahead and draw. No, you can just click on it, and everything that you have written down will be wiped off. You can just easily make use of the undo button here. Okay, here you can draw shapes, and the little blue dot you can see here is nothing. It's just for your font color. All right, so whereas it was blue, our font color now becomes black. Okay, so you can see we have black as our new font color. All right, and then of course you can always use your eraser to do justice to that, and of course you can go ahead and delete. Once you click on the more button, you can go ahead and make use of your text. All right, so we can click text and then write. All right, so that is how to make use of your whiteboard options. Now if you have done all of these and you want to save what you have done, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you're going to notice three dots. Once you click on that, you can save this, all right, or otherwise create a new whiteboard. Once you create a new whiteboard, right, while you are still in this meeting, everything you have done here is going to be saved. Now this works across all devices. Okay, so there you go. You wanted to know how to use a whiteboard in Zoom. This is the easiest way I know how. Okay, now if you know any other way to use the whiteboard in Zoom, kindly leave a comment below. Ensure to subscribe for more videos.